fire action here. It's freezing. Oh, if you were me, you would know how cold I am. Okay, I'm feeling the fire alarm. I'm feeling the fire alarm. Guys, there's a fire alarm over here that's flashing orange, and I can't find the fire alarm.
This is just.
Yeah, there it is.
The fire alarm is just over there.
Yes. Guys, this is absolutely mental. I don't know what's happening. We don't know what's happening, guys.
Wait, Robbie.
Comment down below if you're having much more fun than I am.
Nah, bro, you try to see the UV watching.
Subscribe. Okay, guys, our school day is meant to start in like 18 minutes, so we could actually be here, but we're hoping not. Because that'll be bad. I don't see any smoke anywhere. But yeah, see you later, guys.